Today I'm going to talk to you about the tools that I use in my salon on an everyday basis. The first one is the OPI Pusher Plus, which is a cuticle pusher. Next I have the dexterity tool, which helps you remove excess cuticle from the nail plate. My nippers, and my file edger. The OPI Pusher Plus has a nice angled head on it so that you can use your pusher straight and you can look and see where you're going with the cuticles and you're not pushing too harsh. I like to dip my cuticle pusher in a little bit of Swiss Guard when I'm doing a gel color mani or an enhancement. The tool slides really nicely on the nail plate and helps to soften the cuticle or removal. And the Pusher Plus, as you pull it back, it helps to remove the excess cuticle off of the nail plate. The dexterity tool you use on its side, like this on this side, and as you can see, it's removing even more of the excess cuticle left over on the nail plate. When we remove all of the cuticle, we're going to get proper adhesion and avoid lifting. You can see I'm not using a lot of pressure. It really helps to remove that cuticle really easily. Now you have to check with your state board or your country regulations because not all states or all countries allow you to nip the cuticles. I personally would prefer not to touch any cuticles if I don't have to, but sometimes they do have a little, something dry that's hanging out. Or there's also sometimes just something really stubborn on the side of the nail plate that maybe the dexterity couldn't get. And instead of going at it with a really rough file, I would rather just use my nippers, a super gentle little scraping just to make sure that I get that off. Next up is the file edger, and this is a really cool tool, you guys, because it will help you edge the files. When you open up a brand new file, you take it out of the plastic, these edges can be really sharp. And when you're filing somebody's nail with it, and you're getting right into that corner, you can actually cut them really easily with this. So in order to avoid that, we use the file edger. It's super easy. You run the file through the edger like this. Just, 2 to 3 times. Flip it over to the other side, do the other side. And then our ergonomically shaped files, I like to make sure I get the big piece at the bottom too, because sometimes I use that side of the file. And there we go. A nice soft edge that you won't cut your clients with.